It's very hard to leave from Rethymno.
You can stay.
They need to come to Rethymno and find this out.
Wow.
Rethymno, Greece. Hidden on the narrow streets of the old city, there is the only man who knows all the secrets of Kataifi and traditional Filo dough. After a deep research, we found him on Vernardou 30. And this is his story.
Oh, thank you so much. It's from the Filo made by you here.
Yes.
You will love it. Wow. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. This is the only handmade Kataifi in Greece.
Okay. The only handmade Kataifi in Greece. Wow, this one.
In Romania, maybe you have handmade also.
Meet Giorgios, Katerina, and Paraskevas Hatziparaskos. Giorgios opened the bakery 64 years ago, and it never stopped working.
In this building from 1967, my father bought this building, renovate and start to work here. 10 years before it was in another street near. So the shop is from 1958.
History. You're making history.
Yes. My father started to learn in the age of 12 years old, 1946, 1 year after the Second War. We make the filo, the first material for baklava, and also my father, because of grandfather was from Izmir, now Turkey, so they know very good the art of baklava, so generation by generation learn.
And they are making sure that the tradition will not perish.
I'm also engineer, but the last 12 years I stopped the profession of engineer, so I decided to stay here.
Very different activities.
Yes, it's different to construct
Yes.
houses,
Then
hotels.
baklava.
It's more sweet.
Why do you like more this job?
Because of this now, I can speak with many people from all over the world. You can learn the truth, what happens in the other world. You learn the truth, not that TV say. Something interesting. Every day you learn something more. Be patient. You don't have to force the work. Must be do it slowly, not hurry up. It needs time. You start 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. You finish 8, 9 o'clock in the afternoon. You cannot stop because the pasta, you must work it again and again. If you let it, you cannot close and go for sleep and then continue. No, you have to continue.
They don't have any other employees, just the family is working at the bakery.
Wow!
Here we sell only in Rethymno, not many quantities. If you try to have more production, you lose the advantage of the handmade.
Yes.
You have to find other ways with machines.
They have just this kind of machine for Kataifi, and it's the only one in Greece.
You have to turn it by hand. You have fire underneath. And here we put the mixture. Flour, water, salt and little corn flour. The pasta is liquid, not like the filo. So here from the holes you open, spread, and then slowly you drive it slowly until the end here.
To learn this traditional technique, you need years of practice, and the result is astonishing.
Look the elasticity.
Yes!
Try to do this with the filo from supermarket.
Wow!
Look.
Wow!
If you put a newspaper, you can read.
Really? Wow!
What happens next?
We take some quantity of this production and we make our sweets. The rest we sell it in restaurants. Good restaurants, they buy from here filo. They make not also make also sweet and salty spices with cheese, vegetables.
Unfortunately, there are not so many hotels and restaurants willing to buy the traditional filo.
The price is double.
Another issue, not everybody knows how to use this kind of filo.
The old women, they know to use the filo. The young ladies, the most of them, they don't know how to use it because they didn't try to use it. Now in supermarket they can find the pie ready, only to put in the oven for a half an hour. The most of the clients are old ladies from the old town, some of them from villages. They know to make this.
For sure, Giorgios, Katerina and Paraskevas know not just to make the dough, but also how to use it. And tourists all over the world can confirm.
Ωραίο!
Μακεδόνια, Ανδώρα, Τινήσια, Μαρόκο, Σταμπούλ,
Of course!
Λιβνή, Σιγκαπούρη,
Wow!
Αγκόμ.
Because one by one, all the old professionals with hand, maybe one day will stop.
We enjoyed the only handmade Kataifi in Greece, sitting on a bench in the center of the old town of Rethymno.
It's tasty.
Wow! Wow!